Hello and welcome to the Marriage Foundation channel. You should subscribe because you're going to learn so much. You're going to want to go deeper. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation, but I did more than that. I founded a whole new way of looking at marriage that is correct. And I say that unabashedly. I used to be a divorce mediator. That was in 2001. And a couple asked me to help them save their marriage. I didn't know how to help a couple save the marriage. I was divorced myself. But I did a deep dive. I spoke to my marriage counselor friends, of course. They sent me business all the time. But I'll tell you what, they sent me more business after I started saving marriage, because what I learned about marriage is incredible. I'm going to start out, let's name the topic. It's how to keep your wife interested in you, which obviously means she's starting to lose interest in you. So, why did she marry you in the first place? The reason why she married you is literally for the same reason you married her. Because you wanted happiness. She wanted happiness. And both of you, your souls, you have bodies, so you met your soulmate. Both of you knew instinctively, intuitively, that that which gives you the most happiness is love. And what you forgot, which is why she's losing interest, is that what undermines that happiness is complaining, scolding, not paying attention, not listening, not regarding her as a woman, because women have very different needs than men, and it's deep subconscious stuff. You know, men are defenders, warriors. Women are nurturers. They have the babies. And guess what? I can tell you right now, this is one of the biggest problems for men. By the way, subscribe to the channel now before you go on. It's only fair. And like the video. And even share the video with your friends. Here's the thing. The number one toxin that you've been putting into your marriage, not every single one of you, but most of you, is anger. Anger is natural and normal for an animal, not for a woman. It scares the bejeebies out of them. I was going to use a different word that began with S, but bejeebies is much more polite. It's meant to be scary. Your anger is meant to be scary. You're the warrior. And so when you need anger, it's at your disposal. But it's never to be displayed in front of your wife or your children. Well, your male children, okay, not so bad. But not at them, because you're their protector. You're the example. So you cut out the anger entirely. You go back to doing the things for her that you used to do, but don't fake it. Be real. You have to be real. You don't want to be insincere. She'll see right through you, because women are intuitive. They don't miss it. Why do you think you fell in love with a woman instead of a man? Women are amazing for a man because they have qualities we don't have. And so you have to treat her like your queen. You have to treat her like she's the only woman in the universe that you see, that you recognize, and you can't live without her. This is deep stuff. You should watch these videos. You should maybe read my book. Go to the website. If you're really losing your wife, then you need the course for men that we have. But hopefully it hasn't gone that far and you're catching it early, which is unusual for men, I have to admit it. Usually men go, what happened? Why is she filing for divorce? I thought everything was okay. That's typical for men. But you're still catching it early enough. I'm Paul Friedman. I'm the founder of the Marriage Foundation. We're here to serve you. Go to the website. You can ask a counselor. You can go through, see the testimonials that we have. But don't let this get away from you any further. God bless you. I'm glad you stopped by. Take care. And leave a comment if you wish. But definitely like the video. Definitely share it. Definitely subscribe. God bless you and take care.